Sweet the whispers in your ear whenever Ember wanders near.
We are going to kick things off. Skyebrows' newest music video just dropped today on my stream anniversary. It just dropped. This feels so fitting that we get to see Skyebrows' newest music video just released on my stream anniversary. Are we ready? Are we ready, chat? Let's do this.
Saturated, inundated, moderated, suffocated, not sealed, shifting blame, discord earned its name. Hate the cold machine, feeding on the same routine. Give me something I can feel through tin foil and stainless steel. Underneath the skin, where the rot begins. Give me something I can feel. Everywhere, every error aired at once. Every weather in the head, every feather weighed a ton. Noise scatters, mangled chatter, muddies matters on the screen. Tangled wires and channels, meaning severed, sick, obscene. Tripwire, violet circuit, watch the moderators race. Masked opinions just to fail to save the face. Now here, waiting for the sky to clear. Give me something I can feel. Certified and safely sealed. Underneath the skin, where the plot sickens. Give me something I can feel. Something. More and more forms, more lore, ornate, normalcy. Acronymity, infinity, atrocity, affinity. Password is secure, but the words begin to slur. So cut the cord, break the cradle, watch it bleed. Dreamers lost and found common ground. Cast your seed into the feed. Give me something I can feel. With that deep fake sex appeal. Underneath the skin, where the truth sinks in. Give me something I can heal. Something real. Something real. Set me free so I can be exactly how you wanted me.
Wow. That was incredible. You guys were saying it was Gurren Leaflet. Like this? Is this supposed to be Gurren Leaflet? I couldn't tell. Is that supposed to be Leaflet? In the spaceship. Oh, hang on. Yeah. Where was that? Did I miss that? And is this supposed to be Leaf? This was Leaflet? God, I didn't even recognize her. I did not even recognize this as being Leaflet. Oh, wow. You know what I did notice? Hang on, let me see if I can find it. There was one. Let me see if I can find him again. There was one guy, I'm like really impressed that Skyebrows included him. Do you know, are you guys familiar with this guy? This is someone that's currently living in Iran that has been putting out, yeah, he's been putting out videos. He's like a fan of Asmongold, and he's been getting videos to Asmongold about what has been going on. Yeah, it's the Asmongold guy. He's been getting videos to Asmongold about what has been going on in Iran. He's covered him several times. Yeah, it's amazing that Skyebrows put him in here. That's fantastic. That is fantastic that he got him in here. Like a whole bunch, we had a whole bunch of the cameos in here. We had, where is it? Like, we had the big group shot here. Yeah, Nizuku, oh God, what was that? Yeah, that is, we've got, yeah, it was Nines, and then, not Cinna, oh God, Cinny, that's what it was, Cinny, that's what I was thinking of. Yeah, it's Cinny, and, like, back further, we had, where was it? I think we had Female Keen. We had Fem Keen here, I believe. Just like a whole best load of cameos. Like, yeah, we had, just so many. I didn't notice Kirsche or Alana. That's the one thing. I didn't notice Kirsche or Alana because I'm not sure who this is. If this is just, oh, that's Powder. That's Powder. That's got to be Powder right there. Is there a list of cameos in the description? Okay. Let's see. Psyop Anime, Holy Ball, I recognize him. Nail, Feeble Mind, It's Shire Live, Dot Pocket, Psychro, Pasta, Grumpy, No, Enalchemites, Siddle Gray, Silas, Fishizi, you were in it. Cyber Nuggets, Nuverse, Cinematics, Andosinoid, Kenny was in it. Asmon TV, Powder, Fantasy Images, Tectone. Tectone at 138. His weightlifting? Oh, this is him giving money. And I'm guessing, is that supposed to be Nux? Is this supposed to be, no, that's not Nux. I don't know who this is. I don't get is it Old Man Nuts? Okay, it's Old Man Nux. I don't know. I don't know. So I don't know. Goblin Gossip, Neural, Angry Duck, Blast Box, Keen, Ezler, for Ezeltier, Brain Racked, The Door Brothers, Optit Fatish, Kitsune Miku. At oh yeah, in the group shot. Kitsune, Miku, Nines, Isnirus, Venetrix, Base Catnip, Nisfa Philip Chan, Cinnabare, DJ, was DJ there? Did I have trouble identifying DJ in there? Hold up. Hold up. I don't, where was 210, okay. DJ, am I missing you? Where's DJ? Where's DJ? Right next to, oh, this is you? Okay, I did not recognize you. I did not recognize you, DJ. That's why it didn't stick out to me. Like yeah, this looks, I did not recognize you whatsoever. That's why. Okay, so that's you right there. Cool. Nice. Huasco, Occultist, Tita Gomi, Teddy Grizz, Manhattan Creations, Ray to Zero, Brewer the Greater, Delta Wolf, Eustace, I saw Eustace, Bloop, Asiat, and then Leaflet. Nice. Wow, that was fantastic. That was great. That was a fantastic video, Skyebrows. Absolutely fantastic. I loved it. Plus, the beat was amazing. I love the beat. I love how you kind of interwove the modern day stuff happening. Beautiful piece. Absolutely beautiful. I loved it.
Ember burns bright, bright.